Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a interesting news happening this week. A few people that actually had ordered some Dell laptops that received them this week say that they actually received them with 22H2 pre-installed for Windows 11. So that kind of tells us that the September 20th date, which is next Tuesday, would probably be a valid date for the release, the official release of Windows 11 22H2. That's what we hear. And since some new laptops are already shipping, I would guess that is the case. Now, they're shipping with the exact version that I have here on my machine. So when you look at the Windows version in Windows 11, 22621 is the build, and the machines that they received from Dell have 521 in the ending. So this means that technically Windows 11 22H2 is the build 22621.521. A lot of people were talking about another build number at the end, but I thought that was impossible because we were moving on. And I thought, no, there must be a more advanced build. And now we have the number 521 ending. Seems to be the official build for Windows 11. So if you're wondering when Windows 11 22H2 is coming, I would guess that next week has a big chance of being the official week for the release of Windows 11 2.0, as I like to call it, with features that we will talk about. And it seems that if Dell is doing it, probably, and it's possible that if you're buying a new computer, you might be receiving it with 22H2 pre-installed already. We knew that manufacturers were actually getting 22H2 in the past couple of months. So we knew that it was really getting close as they were asking manufacturers to test Windows 11 on those machines. But now it's kind of official that we're there. So we'll see what's going to happen on Tuesday, September the 20th. It's the official date that a lot of people are talking about. And we're really close. And it's kind of funny that Microsoft, hasn't already said something about it. But I guess it'll be like a last minute of, like they did in a few times in the last few releases. Like, oh, okay, well, today's the release of this version. And for 22H2 on Windows 10, still no dates or no information about when, but we know it's a thing, but we don't know when. Who knows? Maybe it could be next week, but a lot of people are thinking October for Windows 10 22H2, which doesn't do anything much. So if you were waiting for it and being patiently waiting for it, well, I guess we're just a few days away, I would think now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.